Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Xiaomi ROIDMI EVE Plus vacuum. So this is what it looks like. It's seriously pretty big and it's quite solid, that's for sure, because the weight is heavy. So let's get straight right into the unboxing. So yeah, let's go. So this is what the box looks like. This is the front of the box. It's pretty nice, and the side of the box, it shows what are the specs of the vacuum. For example, self-sterilizing and self-emptying. Wow, that's actually a pretty good feature. I would like that. 3-liter large capacity dust bag. Smart connection to Alexa. Wow guys, I think it could connect to Google Assistant too. So I think it's really convenient to use it because it could connect to everything. You could even connect it to your phone, guys. There is a specific app for this vacuum, so I'll show you guys later on. So now let's open the box. I can't wait to see what's inside. Wow, I'm gonna show you guys. Wow guys, okay, so there is actually 3 plastic which contains stuff. So let's take out the first one. Oops. Okay. It actually has some, what is it? It's like a disposable filter, I guess. I'm not sure what is it because I haven't read the instruction yet, but I'm guessing it's like a filter. So yeah, let's put this aside. So there is another, I think this is a mop, I guess. I'm not sure what is it. Yep, it's a mop guys. It's written here. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but it's written disassembling and installing the mop. It's basically a mop. So let's put this aside. And for this one, I'm guessing it's like a filter. Not sure what is it. I could find what's the use of this later. So here is the user manual. Let's unbox the vacuum first, okay? I think my camera got cut just now, so I've already opened the vacuum. Just the vacuum. As you can see right here, it's really nice. The color is really, it's really classic. It's a white classic and a black line right here with some, yeah, it's just black and white. It's really classic. So the bottom of it is like that. And guys, I want to show you guys something that I found really cool, I could say. Okay, you could look at this. Look at the tire guys. It's like a monster truck tire. This is the front tire. It's basically just to turn the direction of the vacuum. And this is the mop. I'm not sure, is it a mop or is it something to collect dust? But this is the back of it. And of course, there's a sticker right here saying ROIDMI. So yeah, now let's unbox the filter. I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, so now for the last thing. So this is it. This is the last thing in the box. This is what it looks like. Okay, this looks like a trash can, but that's the use of it, I guess. As you can see from this picture right here, I guess once the robot vacuum collected all the dust and dirt from the floor, it just throws it into this dust bin, into this trash. Okay, so yeah, this is what, oh, look at this. I guess that's a 3-liter dust bag. Yep, this is the dust bag. So this is basically how it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys roughly the back of it. The side is plain. So yeah. Now I'm gonna connect this to the power, this and the vacuum to the power, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Guys, actually there is a box that came out of the big box just now. Let's unbox it. So yep, I'm guessing this is a dust bag for the trash. So there are 2 of it. So yeah, and there's one more thing in the box actually. Oh, it's a plug for this trash, I guess. So guys, I basically just connect this to the adapter and I'm gonna turn it on right now. So let's see if any. Oh guys, this LED pops out. The color looks very futuristic, as you can see right here, and it's written here long press to start. So there's no button there, so I'm guessing long press here to start, because there's like a power button right here. Okay.
System is starting.
Wow.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
Okay. So should I click it again? Let's just try.
Start cleaning.
Wow guys, it's cleaning. Wow. Okay guys, I just found out a cool thing. When you click here,
Continue cleaning.
it will resume cleaning, and once you click it again,
Pause cleaning.
it will pause the whole machine. It means the whole machine will stop immediately. And as you can see right here, there is a home button. There is a house logo right here. If I click it,
Start recharging.
it will automatically enter that hole. Yeah, as you can see right here, it's going in slowly. So guys, can it enter? It takes some time, but I guess it's adjusting itself. It's getting very close.
Start dust collection.
Wow.
Dust collection completed.
Wow.
Charging.
I'm impressed by how strong the power is. Let's check. Okay. Let's see what happens if I click the house button again. Nothing happened. What if I click the...
Start cleaning.
Okay.
Pause cleaning.
What is this button for? Let's just test it out.
Start partial cleaning.
Oh, partial
Cleaning is over.
Okay, alright. So I get it now. So guys, actually changed the position of the camera so that I could explain easier. So basically this is the ROIDMI app, and I'll put it on the screen so that you guys could see what I'm doing on my phone. So once you click here, you could see like a map of your house plan or your room plan, and you could actually select where do you want the robot to clean specifically and which area you do not want your robot to clean. For example, area, you could select how big do you want the area. I mean, like how big of the area do you want the robot to clean. For example, I want it to clean this small spot right here, so I just select that and I click start cleaning, and the robot will clean automatically. And once you click on point, it's like a bigger area which you couldn't adjust. So example, I want a robot to clean this area, so the robot will start cleaning on that area only. It will not go further than that. It will not go lower than that. So yeah, it's really easy to use. And you click on more modes. You could set the sweeping suction and the mopping water. There is quiet, standard, power, and max. For the mopping water, there is small, middle, and max. So yeah, you could actually adjust everything, customize it to what you prefer. So that's what I really like about this ROIDMI vacuum. It lets me choose what I want. So yeah. And there is also a start recharge button down here, which allows you to click the button and the robot will charge immediately. Start cleaning, of course it will start cleaning, and yeah, that's basically it. And there is message which allows the robot to send notification to your phone. For example, the robot has completed cleaning the area that you requested, so there will be a notification coming out, cleaning completed, so that you know. That's really good. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys a video of how the robot works. Guys, this will be at the ending of the video, so I'm gonna keep it as short as possible so that you guys understand in a short period of time. I don't want to drag the time too much. So if you ask me, is this vacuum worth it or not worth it to buy? I would say it's really worth it if your house is really big. If you have a big house, if you're always busy, you're coming back from home late, you don't have time to clean your house, then this vacuum will be your personal maid to help you clean your house. And it could even throw the rubbish by itself without you having to take out the trash from the vacuum like a normal vacuum. This is a smart vacuum, so you don't have to worry about that. And charging wise, you don't have to worry about it, about putting this to the charging dock and charge and unplug it. This vacuum is smart enough to charge itself and sweep itself. So yeah, this vacuum will not be a trouble to you. I would say that because I've tested it just now, and I really love the specs, the features, and the thing I could control with the app. The app is so useful, guys. Just if you have this vacuum, don't forget to download the app. It's really useful. Okay, so that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please share it to your friends or family who are planning to buy this. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.